Hey there, paper crafters. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to be here today to share with you the January 2024 class to go, which focuses on the Be Mine collection, which is in the January to April Stampin' Up! Mini catalog, and uses this Be My Valentine bundle. I'll share the rest of the collection with you in just a moment. I do want to point out that these cards are not all Valentine cards as well. This suite is also good for thank you cards, birthday cards, and generic kind of love you cards as well. So, all right. So the bundle that we'll be using is the Be My Valentine bundle, and you will need this bundle to participate in this class. But we are also using the Be Mine DSP or patterned paper, and you can see that there are some fun patterns in this collection. So it's not all love themed. We've got a yellow plaid, we've got some honey pots, we've got some honeycombs, some florals, some flowers, and then some bees with little hearts. And then we'll flip them over. And then of course there are some that are love themed. So we've got the bee holding the heart. This one can be used for anything. It's just a sweet sorbet with like a flight path. We've got some bees and flowers, and these bees are adorable. We've got some striped patterns, and then we've got some more bees and flowers with little subtle hearts, and then a heart patterned paper as well. So this is a fabulous paper pack. Love this paper pack. So when you participated in the class, there are actually 4 different options. Option 1 will give you half a package of this pattern paper, a full package of these embellishments. So you can see that there's little flowers and little hearts that coordinate with the pattern paper, 2 yards of the Sweet Sorbet bordered ribbon, which is a beautiful ribbon. It's a great width, really easy to work with. And then the 6 card kits to create the 6 different cards that we'll be making in class. In addition to that, you will also get an email with the PDF, with a link to the PDF, which includes a full supply list, measurements, and links to videos, so that you can walk through the videos and create them right along with us. All right. The option number 2 is, if you don't already have this bundle, the option number 2 is the best option for you. So option number 2 would be to head on over to my online store and purchase this suite. And I will include a link to the full blog post where you can find all of the information, as like the product number and everything that you need. Or $103 worth of product before shipping and tax. And make sure that you use the class host code. That will also qualify you for a free celebration item as well, because it's celebration time. So you get to choose something out of the celebration brochure for free. Now, if you have bits and pieces of this collection, or maybe you already have this bundle, you can purchase $103 worth of product, and it doesn't matter what it is. And as long as you're using that host code, I know you want to participate in the class, and I will make sure that you get those 6 pre-cut card kits absolutely free. All right. Option number 3 is for team members. So if you're part of my Treasure Stampers team, you can participate in this class for just $15, plus $3 shipping if shipping is required. And then if you are outside of Canada, obviously I can't send you kits. So you can purchase the tutorial, and I will have a link in the description to where you can find the tutorial. All right, so hang on just a second and I'll share a little peek at the projects. But first, I want to just share the additional products that you will need to have on hand, or something similar. So we are using a few different ink pads. So Sweet Sorbet, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, Petal Pink, and Memento. Now, if you don't have these exact colors, if you've got colors similar to those, that will work just fine. All right, and then the other thing that we've used is a black Stampin' Right marker, but any black fine tip marker will work. All right, now, ready for a peek at the projects? Okay, so I'm gonna do it fast. So we've got that one, which is not Valentine or love themed. We've got this one, We've got this one, which I've turned to a Valentine's card, but you could stamp a birthday card on the inside. We've got this one, which is, I turned it into a birthday card. This one, which I turned into a birthday card. There's a little bit of a fun fold in that one. And there's a 6th card that I did not create. That is another fun fold that Laura created. So it is definitely a class you don't want to miss out on. And the great thing about these classes is you can take these ideas and use them with any of your products. So you can recreate any of those cards using different pattern paper, using a different stamp set, and you can recreate them over and over and over. All right, so deadline to participate is February 16th, 2024, so it's a quick turnaround. Remember that if you choose option 2, which is basically the I Want It All option, and you're spending $103 before shipping and tax, remember to use the class host code, which you'll find in the description. All right, so I hope to see you in class. Thanks for watching. Take care.